If you want to start using Wise, you should click on the link in the description to create an account. To get a Wise virtual card, beside the home icon, click the card. And you will see here a order a debit card. Click that button. In here, you will see a two option for your debit card, a digital one and a physical one. If you want a digital, you can get it for free and get it instantly. You will see the details for the digital. If you want to get one, just click the order your digital card and you will get it instantly. Now, if you want to order a physical card from Wise, just click the physical and it will redirect you to the details for the physical card. In here, you will see the fee and the days to deliver. And that's how you get a Wise virtual card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.